Hi everybody, I'm back today. I'm going to show you that we're going to do part 2 on making the B6 laminated planner, which is a 5x7. And today we're going to be making the inserts. So let me just take this away for now. Now what you're going to need, I'll start out with the lined insert. Now I printed mine on I have a graphics program. I can't give you exact details on how to print. You'll have to figure them out on your own. But if you have a graphics program, you want lines, you want to center it on the paper, you're going to need it to, when you cut it, you'll have them folded like this. So you'll be cutting at 5x7. So you might have to fiddle around with that. Okay, once I have them printed, I print double-sided. And then I fold them over in groups of, say, 2 or 3. You don't want them too thick. I'm using a guillotine cutter, but it doesn't cut through too many sheets at one time. So I'll just get that over here. This is a swing line cutter. It works for me. Like I said, it doesn't cut through too many sheets at one time. But so I'm going to cut these at 5, holding down, keeping my fingers out of the way. 5x7. And now I've got 10 sheets of lined pages, and I've separated them into groups of 2 or 3 folded. I'm just going to cut them all. 5x7. Sorry about that. Should have turned the phone on. My last group here, 5. Here's the 5. 7. Here are all my grouped pages. Put this over for now. Now I take them in the middle and just put them all together. Each group into the middle. This group. And that'll be it. So this was 10 pages, 10 sheets of paper, printed double-sided, so that each sheet has 4 pages on it. So 10 times 4 sheets each gives me 40 pages for my book. Now I'll get them in there all nice and tight and even. I take my bone folder and really press it down. Okay, now the cover of the book. I printed all my covers. They are also 5x7. This one would be for my notes, so this is going to be that one. Fold it over good crease. Again, I'm going to cut this to 5x7. You can see what I'm doing here. Trying. There we go. 5. Booklet cover. Now you take your inserts, your pages, slide them in there. They all fit just fine. Find the center. And then we're going to put them into our cover, which we made yesterday. This on the third elastic towards the back. Slide it under, hold it over, and there you have it. It's in your book, no overhang on the sides. That's one insert. Then we have a total of 4 inserts. This would be the cover for my weekly plans. That's your weekly calendars. Cover for my monthly plans. And this one I haven't labeled. I use this on the plain paper insert. And back. Rather than have you sit and watch me cut papers, I did them off camera. And I'm going to show you what they look like. The only one I didn't do is the unlined paper. I'll just cut 10 sheets as I did before, insert them in the cover, and then we'll put them in our planner. So let's get our planner. Now I usually put the monthly planner first. You can arrange these any way you want. You just take them out from the elastics and move them around. The center of the book goes into our first elastic. Carefully pull it in. And then I put my weekly plans in the second elastic. I can find it. Here it is. Slide it under. There we go. And then our last would go in the last elastic. That would be the unlined when I cut those papers. I'll also be making a folder, which I will show you how to attach on with a jump band, they call it. It's an extra elastic, which allows you to put an extra book in. And that's it on the inserts. Now you're going to have to play around with your graphics program or whatever you can use to make boxes, lines, days. I'm working on a PDF of these files. So for all the pages, there would be probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 pages. 5 different pages. I'll put them on my Exhibit shop when I have it ready. Maybe $3 or $4, and you can download their PDFs, so they would come in as an Adobe Reader PDF, and then you would have to play around with printing them so that you can center the pages. I usually put them towards the top of the program on the screen. And then I have my printer, always print exact size. And that way, they're printed exactly as I see them on the screen. You have to have them centered. So once I get that file ready and up on Exhibit, I'll do a quick video on how to use them. So that's about it for this one. I'll be back for part 3, which will be making the folder, which we'll put on a jump band. And then, what else do we have to make? Well, I'll show you how to put on the pocket. And, oh, the page marker. We'll also do the page marker. That might be another video. Okay, so stay tuned. I hope you attempt to make one. I really enjoy making them. This is the one that does not have rounded corners on the paper. I did round the corners on the laminate, but not the paper. I had forgotten. We had put on our charms and our closure. So stay tuned. We'll make part 3. Thank you.